Shah, who has torn into Rahul Gandhi. That's a big breaking news coming in. Amit Shah takes on Rahul Gandhi amidst the ongoing tussle over the trade deal. It's a Union Home Minister Amit Shah who has attacked and has really given it back, as some are calling it, to the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. He's compared quote-unquote UPA era to NDA. He's basically said that it's the Modi government that, again, Amit Shah's word, quoting Mr. Shah, purchased 15 times more grains from farmers at MSP as compared to the UPA era. Showdown over the trade deal is continuing. Amit Shah tearing into the LOP, Rahul Gandhi comparing and sort of bringing a parallel between the UPA and the NDA era, saying that it's the Modi government which purchased a lot more grains when it comes to the MSP, saying basically in summation that it is this government, the NDA government, which stands with the farmers while drawing a sort of parallel or juxtaposing it with the UPA era.
मित्रों, वो गुमराह कर रहे हैं कि यूरोपियन यूनियन, इंग्लैंड, इसके साथ हुए जो एफटीए और अमेरिका के साथ हुई ट्रेड डील, ये दोनों के माध्यम से मोदी जी ने किसानों के हित को नुकसान पहुंचा है। मैं राहुल गांधी जी को चैलेंज देना चाहता हूं, किसी भी मंच तय कर लो, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का युवा मोर्चे का अध्यक्ष आकर आपसे चर्चा कर लेगा नुकसान किसने किया है। मैं इस देश के किसानों को इस मंच से आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि एक प्रकार से कार्यक्रम जो है, एक प्रकार से तो ये कार्यक्रम गरीबों को पारदर्शी तरीके से अनाज पहुंचाने का है, मगर ये कार्यक्रम किसानों का भी है, क्योंकि अनाज कहां से आता है? अनाज हमारे प्रहलाद भाई जो एमएसपी पर गेहूं, धान, दलहन खरीदते हैं, वो उचित दामों पर और मुफ्त में किसानों तक पहुंचाने का कार्य।
Well, my colleague Kritika is joining us live on the broadcast. Kritika, it's really a showdown, a storm over Kisans. War of words as to who really is the messiah of farmers seems to be escalating between the BJP and the Congress. It's really the top guns of both parties. Amit Shah giving it back to Rahul Gandhi. Take us through some of the key pointers, takeaways from the scathing attack which has come from the side of HM Shah.
Well, yes, the Home Minister today has said that whether it is the insurgency hit areas of the Northeast or in fact Naxal hit areas and even across the country, the public distribution system when it comes to the distribution of food grains has only been strengthened has been strengthened by more than 15 times under the NDA government in comparison to that of the UPA. Now, this also, remember, is coming at the backdrop of the protests as well as the multiple posts that Rahul Gandhi and the other opposition leaders have also made targeting the BJP government over what they have said a betrayal to the farmers as far as the India-US trade deal, interim trade deal is also concerned. Today, the Home Minister has taken on directly to Rahul Gandhi and to these claims that the opposition has been making, with facts and figures stating that their government, yes, the NDA government, has been providing food grains to all parts of the country. They've been using the digital system as well to make it very accessible and transparent as well.
Scathing attack coming in from the side of HM Shah. We heard his reaction as well. Thank you for joining us with all these updates. Apologies, we've completely run out of time. We need to wrap this bulletin, and it's a wrap on this bulletin. On the other side, what's breaking the internet, the top viral stories of the day.